I will be making a mixed media tag. I previously recorded this without audio, so I will be doing a voiceover. Right here I have some matte gel medium, which will be acting as our glue. And I have some modeling paste and some stencils. And I just have some various objects I'll be using. And a chipboard tag will be our base. Here's some clear gesso, which will act as our primer. So I'm just priming our chipboard tag with the clear gesso to get it ready for all of the mediums we're going to be using. So you'll want this to be completely dry before you move on to the next step. So now I'll be attaching the paper and the washi tape with the ultra matte gel. So I have my stencils here, and I'm just going to use some modeling paste to add some texture and visual interest. So now I'll be applying some paper flowers and some lace. Don't worry if you get excess glue on your project, you can always cover it up with an embellishment. Now I'm just giving the entire project a final coat in the clear gesso to get it ready for our color. So this is what we have so far. Make sure it's completely dry before you move on to this next step. I have some gouache paint right here, and it's pretty dry, so I'm going to use a little water to kind of reactivate it. And I'll be spritzing the project as well, just so the color moves around more easily. So now I'll be going in with some gray and some blue tones. So I did unfortunately lose some video, but this is the final product. All I did was add some gold paste and some glitter stickers on the side and some gold twine at the top. Please like, comment, and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Thank you for watching.